Welcome to this video about cooking and eating out on the ketogenic diet. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, this guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to make meal planning and grocery shopping on the ketogenic diet a breeze. The ketogenic diet can be challenging when it comes to cooking, but with the right techniques, it's easy to prepare delicious and healthy meals at home. In this section, we'll go over some cooking techniques that will help you make keto-friendly meals with ease. 1. Fat bombs. Fat bombs are small, bite-sized treats that are packed with healthy fats. 2. They're a great snack or dessert option for when you're on the go. 3. Baking with almond flour. Almond flour is a great alternative to traditional flour for baking. 4. It's gluten-free and has a lower carbohydrate content, making it an ideal ingredient for keto-friendly baked goods. 5. Cooking with coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great fat to use for cooking. 6. It's stable at high temperatures, so it's perfect for frying and sautéing. Tips for eating out on the ketogenic diet. Eating out on the ketogenic diet can be challenging, but with these tips, you'll be able to make informed choices when dining at restaurants. 1. Look for options that are high in healthy fats and proteins. Look for dishes that include avocado, olive oil, fatty fish, and nuts. 2. Ask for modifications. Most restaurants are happy to make modifications to their menu items to accommodate special diets. 3. Don't be afraid to ask for a salad without croutons or for your steak to be cooked in butter instead of oil. 4. Consider bringing your own food. If you're going to a function or event where the food options aren't keto-friendly, consider bringing your own food. Suggestions for easy-to-prepare keto-friendly meals. Here are some easy-to-prepare keto-friendly meals that you can make at home. 1. Avocado and eggs. Slice an avocado in half, remove the pit, and crack an egg into each half. 2. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. Salad with grilled chicken and avocado. Toss together some greens, grilled chicken, avocado, and your favorite dressing. 4. Meat and vegetables. Grill or bake some meat and vegetables, such as steak and asparagus, for a simple and nutritious meal. That concludes our video on cooking and eating out on the ketogenic diet. With these tips and techniques, you'll be able to make delicious and healthy keto-friendly meals at home and while eating out. Thanks for watching.